Well, that's Copperbox. That's Danny and Michelle Jerebeck, and she plays the sax, he plays the push button. They've also got Jason Van Rissen, percussions, and Kevin Juneman on the bass. They were here, and what nice people. We hope to see them again. Thanks, and go find some Copperbox and listen to them. Buy some of their CDs. They'd really appreciate it. We've got great music around here. Of course, this is Thursday. And so we have Music in the Park at Gilchrist Park. That's the Punta Gorda Guitar Army. It's a neo-beatnik revolutionary ensemble. And there's all kinds of music, all kinds of people. Find your way to Gilchrist Park tonight and go take care of your musical needs. You can get them satisfied every day around here. The Lakeview Restaurant on the way to Inglewood has an open mic on Tuesdays, and it's got a featured performer for a half hour from 6 to 6:30, and then the music for the rest of the time in the evening. They've got great food. It's Greek food and American. It's fantastic. Peter and Nancy are very good folks, and you find that if you're going from Punta Gorda and Port Charlotte, turn on the Inglewood Road, 776. When you get to the Gasparilla Road, there, as if you're going to Placida or Boca Grande, keep going toward Inglewood. After that light, it's the second driveway on the right, Lakeview Restaurant. Once you see it, you know where it is. It's a little hard to find unless you've seen it the first time, but give them a try, Lakeview Restaurant. We've got a caller. Caller, you're on the air. Okay. The cutoff is supposed to be 30 years unless you're with somebody who's been there for that long, and then you're coming as a guest, but 30 years. There you go. So next year's Old Timer Luncheon, you ought to find who's got some tickets, and Gussie Baker typically is the one that pushes that and has them, and so check back in. Don't let another time go by without checking in. Thank you for calling. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes? Oh yeah, it's an open in that. It's just they have one that's for ladies in particular, and they promote that. But the world's richest tarpon tournament is open to men, women, boys, girls, the whole thing. So, thank you very much. Hey, I couldn't do this without sponsors. Executive Cooling and Heating. Call Executive Cooling and Heating for maintenance, repairs, and new installations at 941-637-9800. They've been at it since 1988. They're fully licensed and insured. Joe Becker and Tom Haas are the owners. They're good guys. They're trustworthy. They've been around a long time. You'd want them as friends. You'd want them as neighbors. You definitely want them for your cooling and heating, maintenance, repairs, and new installations. Call them at 637-9800. Go to the Celtic Ray. Kevin Doyle is a good sponsor. He's also a good local resident, friend of Punta Gorda. His son Max is the comedian. Kevin's hilarious. They're located at the corner of Nesbitt and Marion in downtown Punta Gorda. The Celtic Ray Public House opened in 1997. They have been offering since then a variety of quality imported beers, the atmosphere of a traditional Irish pub, the best fish and chips this side of the Atlantic, and now they've expanded into the whole building and they've got a full liquor bar. This pub is rocking with entertainment. You can catch Flurrigan and live comedy entertainment all next week. Go in and have yourself a pint or whatever you prefer at the Celtic Ray. And also we've got some good Irish folks here in Punta Gorda. Hendrick's Food Vault, Colin and Eileen are Hendrick's Food Vault. Great order online opportunity. Google Hendrick's Food Vault in Punta Gorda and you can get delivery. You can order online. It's real honest food. Life's complicated. Your food choices shouldn't be. They've got breakfast and lunch each day. And the Chill Out Lounge at night, Wednesday through Saturday, 6 to 10. Full line of domestic imported beers. They've got picker platters, sipper soups, handy pies, signature burgers. Top it all off, a great selection of Nancy's desserts. So go see them and have something to eat and drink at 615 Cross Street. That's Hendrick's Food Vault. We've got it's a hot dog day. The heat index is rising. It's hard to be out in the park. As a matter of fact, she's not there today because I had a dead battery and I took her Jeep. And so I'm sorry you can't get a hot dog at the park today. But thank you, my loving wife, for allowing me to do that, and took her day at the park away. When you get over to Boca Grande for these tournaments that I talked to you about, the tarpon tournament, make sure you stop in at Miller's Dockside for something to eat and drink. That's Boca Grande Marina, and there's fine folks over there. Doug Coe, Captain of the Hilarium, Jerry Taylor, the general manager out there. Also, I want you to go to parksreece.com, PARKSREECE.com. He's got some great art. Actually, he was the cover artist and the interior designs for a book called Guide Wars by John Holt, and so I think that's advertised on his website. John Holt's a fine author. He's written a collection of stories and essays put together under Guide Wars, and it's a great cover. We got Peter flashing things on us, and I mean, some of this is like Wasted Away on the Gulf is set some in Boca Grande. I mean, there's a place in here where it says, I met Barzy at the Pink Elephant one evening while having a few drinks to cool off from the heat. She recognized me from some pictures. Henry had taken one of our forays the year before, and the big woman just walked over and sat on a stool next to me and said in a smoky voice, "Hello, John." Well, she's the big redhead riding the tarpon on here having a drink. So that's the kind of attitude that Parks brings to art. It's fun, funny. Go to see him, parksreece.com, and enjoy that. We've got a buddy of his and a buddy of mine. That's Lloyd Dillinger up in Carolina. He does all kinds of things. He's got bird dog real estate. But he's got Carolina Cajun. Carolina Cajun is not just your average indigenous seasoning. It's an art form. It's an expression of love, a blending of spices from around the world. It's a uniting of culinary delights from different cultures and countries. So, it's not a hot sauce. And here's the Colonel's guarantee. To get a better piece of chicken, you'd have to be a rooster. So, go to Carolina Cajun. You can give me a call. We can get you some of it in order to taste it. And then you'll want to order a case of it, I'm telling you what. We're just about out of here. We're going to go to the Cree drums as we go. And here we go. We'll see you on the radio next week.
Perfect.